Do you want to know how you can change your account name in Tubi TV? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account name in Tubi. So go ahead and go to your account settings, and there you can see under the profile section your name is there. Go to account settings and you can change your name in the profile section. So go ahead and write down the name you want to change and then click on save. This way your name will be changed. Let me show it to you once again. You can simply go ahead and change your name like this. Write down the name you want, click save, and it will be updated shortly. So you should just go ahead in tubitv.com, go to your account and go to profile, and then you can change your name. So this was a video on how you can change your name in Tubi TV. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.